Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge a Chevy Bolt at home. Start by determining whether you will use level 1 or level 2 equipment and check your home electrical capacity. Locate a dedicated circuit and a proper outlet, or hire a licensed electrician to install a 240V charger. Keep charging schedules aligned with off-peak rates, and always inspect connectors and cables for damage before each use to ensure safe, reliable charging. In this video, I will explain how to charge a Chevy Bolt at home. Choose level 1 for occasional slow charging or level 2 for daily fast charging, depending on your driving needs. Smart chargers allow scheduling to run during off-peak hours and provide energy reports to track costs. Verify the charger's output matches your Bolt's onboard acceptance rate, and consider a OL-listed unit with weatherproofing for outdoor installations to maintain durability and safety over time. In this video, I will explain how to charge a Chevy Bolt at home. Have a professional inspect your electrical panel and install a dedicated circuit if needed to avoid overloads. Decide between a hardwired charger or a plug-in NEMA 14-50 outlet based on convenience and local code. Mount the charger at an accessible height, use a weatherproof enclosure outside, and label the circuit to prevent accidental shutoffs while charging your Bolt for reliable, long-term use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.